Alright, so we got this brand new 2020 Road Glide Special, complete with a full-size Memphis Shades wind splitter style windshield, complete with your Stage 1 accenting Harley's newest heavy extreme breather here. And to accent the Stage 1, we are rocking the Mark 45 S&S slip-ons. Fully tuned, totally compliant. And to accent the style of the bike, rocking the spiked machine style Avon grips. And to match the grips, also running the matching shifter peg from Avon as well.
And you can see this brand new 2020 Road Glide Special at Lone Wolf Harley-Davidson today, Spokane Valley, Washington, 509-927-7433. Thank you for joining us.